How to contact Airfrance Support. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can contact Airfrance Support. So what do you do first? The first step is to log in on the sign in into your Airfrance account. Once you're signed in, you will go to the Airfrance homepage. On this homepage, just below the logo, you'll see the options book a flight, check in, my booking information. So as you can see this, the next step or the next function is to move to the top left corner of the screen next to the Air France logo, where you can see three dashes. Once you can see this, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see other options, all right, such as book a flight, check-in, flight, status, businesses, and then contact us, all right. So just click on contact us. Then after clicking on contact us, you will go to the contact us page. That is the help center. So once you're on this page, you can see an information at the top part of the screen here that for us in my country, sorry, as my country currently, we cannot contact Air France directly on some number. So a number has been provided, all right. So ensure you pay attention to the top part of your screen to in case it applies to your country as well. So once you can read it, you can cancel it, and then you can see the different options here. If you want if you have questions on planning a trip or checking in or funds or complaints, just check through it and then find the one that is helpful to you. Now, if none of them is helpful, you can see the question here. Did you find this useful? Just select no, and then you can decide to tell them why it's not. If there is not enough information, select it, and then state how they can improve in here, and then click on submit. And then a feedback will be sent and delivered to you. So this is how it works. This is how we calculated the help support on Air France. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.